my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing some mini spring twists, and the hair that I'll be using in today's video was sent to me by the Janet collection, and they were kind enough to send me their brand new Tress 2x curl BAE hair in the length 10 inches, and I do have the curl texture for B, and they did go ahead and send me 5 packs of hair. Now the color that I chose was the 1B burgundy, and as you guys can see, this color is super vibrant. Now towards the roots of the hair is mixed with black and burgundy, and at the ends of the hair it is just burgundy. Now what I love about this hair is that it's already pre-sectioned for you and ready to go, ready to install as is. I did go ahead and install a few of the twists in the back section of my head already. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see the details of what this back section is looking like. And as you guys can see, I did not do square parts. I didn't want this install to be super perfect, and I also didn't want my roots to be really tight as well. So this way of doing it worked really perfect for me, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. Now in this next clip, as you guys can see, I pretty much got through my entire head. I only have about 3 twists left to do, and as you guys can see, these twists look super juicy. They look really good, and I really love this hair 100%. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how I installed these twists. Now in the back, I did not do well-defined parts, but in the front section, I did want the front to look a little neater, so I did go ahead and do square partings in the front of my head. Now for this twist, I am going to go ahead and use one entire strand, but I like to separate the strand just to fluff it up and get it looking nice and fluffy. Then I create 3 strands out of the 2 strands of the hair, and now I'm going to go ahead and begin braiding my hair down at the root, and I probably go ahead and braid it down about 1 inch. And once I reach the desired length of how I want the braided root to be, I do go ahead and split one of the third legs into 2 and divide it amongst the other 2 strands, as you guys can see right there, and then I just begin 2-strand twisting. Now as I'm twisting down the length of the hair, I do begin tightly twisting towards the top of the twist, and as I get right past my natural hair towards the middle of the twist, then I go ahead and loosely twist all the way down to the end. This is what this twist is looking like after I went ahead and twisted all the way down the length of the twist, and as you guys can see, this twist looks super nice and juicy. I really love how the twist is coming out. But now I'm going to go ahead and trim the end of the twist because I don't want the ends to look rugged. I kind of want it to have a nice, even and clean look on the ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you this process 2 more times so that you guys can see exactly how this is done and understand really well how I install these twists. Now the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is take 1 strand, and the loop at the top, I'm going to pull the hair to take the little thread piece that's on the loose of the hair off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and split the hair into two, and this is only to fluff the hair out. Now out of the 2 strands, I'm going to divide that strand into 3 strands and apply the hair to the root of my hair and just begin 3-strand braiding. Now I'm not pulling my root very tight because, like I said before, I do not want these twists to be super tight and pulling on the roots of my hair. So I didn't pull the root very tightly when I was 3-strand braiding. But once I establish my 3 strands, I braid down about 1 inch at the root, and then I split the hair into 2 and begin 2-strand twisting all the way down the length of the hair. Now, even though the hair is 10 inches, it's 10 inches in its natural state when it's just curly, but once you start twisting the hair and manipulating the hair, it does seem like it gets a lot longer than 10 inches, which in my opinion is a plus. So I did go ahead and use a clip to clip the hair back as I was twisting down, just to make it easier for me to twist down the length of the hair. And don't forget, once you guys finish twisting, you just snip off the ends just so that you can have a nice cleaner look at the ends of each twist. I am gonna go ahead and do this process one more time, and while you guys are watching me do this one more time, I do want to quickly mention that I did go ahead and blow dry my hair during the prep of me preparing my hair for this style, and I actually wish I did not do that, because now that my hair was blow dried pretty much straight, it wasn't really blending well with the texture of the hair. So I do recommend that if you guys want to get this hair and install these twists, to not blow dry your hair. Keep your hair in its natural state. Maybe do a twist out to prepare your hair for this style, but do not blow dry your hair because it will not blend as well with this texture of hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will go ahead and leave the link and the details to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. Now, I did not get a chance to show you guys how this hair looked at the end because my battery died, but I am going to go ahead and include a picture at the end so that you guys can see the finished results. Also, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MissUniqueBeautii. Over there you will see a lot more pictures of the finished result as well. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!